So back in the dining room this morning, Carol's gone out with her friend for a nice coffee. Good for her. So I thought I'd do a few other little jobs. One of them was dropping the chandelier in the dining room. Quite a few people have mentioned about it being quite high at the time. We didn't have any choice just because of the chain we had, but now I've got a longer chain. So I'm going to drop that down probably till about 3 foot above our dining room table. So I've dropped it fully down for the moment just because I want to just sort a few bits out in it that I saw were loose. But while I was there, I made the stupid mistake of taking one of these off. I thought I'd just see if it cleans up well. We hadn't cleaned it since we got it because there was no point with the work we're doing here. But I've given it a bit of a scrub and etc. And oh dear, they come up unbelievable. I mean, the difference is chalk and cheese, as I will show you there. Maybe not as much now in this light, but again, I don't have time at the moment and there's too many other things going on ready to do it. But the good thing, what I do know is that it will clean up. So sometime when I get a bit of a break maybe over the winter, I've got the fire going on in this room and I want to stay in here, I'll drop this and give it a really good clean up, but for the moment I'll leave it alone.
And I've just come into the salon, and I must say I haven't been impressed with the work that I've been doing on the centerpiece until this evening. And I came in here and it's actually glowing really prettily, and yes, now makes me want to carry on. I was a bit disappointed with the way it was coming out, but now I've seen it in the evening and it's glowing from the evening sun that's coming through above the shutters. There are shutters at the top, but you'd need a long rod to close them, so I don't think we'll ever bother. But now I am pleased with that, and I shall keep.
Now that Carol's happy with the gold effect, where I put the vinyl on there just to give her a look, I'll get these right back properly to the metal, all of the lot that's in there, and then Carol will give them a spray with the gold, so it won't have that real bling look, that shiny look. I think that was a bit too OTT, even though it looked nice. But we'll show that and see how it looks later. You love gold, don't you?
Better than your gold vinyl, your plastic.
Hang on, that sufficed to prove a point. That was the reason behind it.
I know. It proved a point.
Yes.
Don't use plastic.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay. Don't miss any bits, though, will you?
That's not funny.
She sprayed this earlier and then she said, yeah, look at this. I said, you missed a bit. Oh, bit like my painting on the coach house.
Yeah, but we can't see that up high.
Yeah, but a camera never lies. That's what you said.
Right, that's had 2 coats.
Yep. It's not a blingy gold now, is it? So it should go well.
So we'll let that dry and then we'll put the frame on it.
Yes.
And see what it looks like.
Oh, look amazing.
Well, we shall see.
Yes. Okay.
Right.
Proof's in the pudding. Back to work. A moment of truth.
Sprayed twice, gold.
Okay, yeah. With the surround, yeah. I prefer that.
That
Just
looks
seeing
nice,
if it's
doesn't it?
different with different lights. Just gonna, yeah.
It goes really nice with that, but then when you put it over here against this,
Yeah, I still prefer the tone down a bit more, don't you?
this is a more of a green gold, and that's
Plastic gold.
plastic red gold. But it does show the trim off nicely in this one.
It does, definitely.
So it's up to you.
Well, you don't like my plastic.
I know, your plastic has to go.
You're saying find a spray that we can get a bit of more. Could we put a lacquer on there to bring it up? Well, okay, maybe some people might see what their opinions are.
Well, the rain came eventually, and so now it's a lot cooler for Adrian to get back up on the cherry picker and start the painting. And if you can see, if I slowly zoom in, you can definitely see where he's been. He's not doing a bad job. But that's going to need 2 coats, and he's been up there 10 minutes and he's already moaning. I'll leave him to it. Adrian has come down from the cherry picker, and yay, he's finished up the top.
Almost.
I did point out he missed a couple of bits, but he can go back to that. But now it all ties in beautifully. We're still at the window frames to do, but it's looking good. So what's your conclusion of painting, darling?
Hate it. It's a horrible job. But it's a job that had to be done, didn't it?
Okay.
And you don't have time to do it.
No, but I have noticed,
Go on then.
luckily for you,
Yes.
It's been raining and the grass is turning green. So soon you'll be back on your mower.
Oh, that peace and quiet. We're going to have races again. Actually, do you know what I was really hoping is that it'd be grass enough, would be green enough, should I say, to cut when Zach's here. Because he loves that. But it won't be, will it? What do you think, and show the viewers, on the large round windows? So paint them cream as well, I guess, to match in.
Adrian's talking about the round ones at the top, which obviously they will have to be painted the same colour.
They will, won't they? That's what I thought. Is that another one to add to my list then?
Yes, but there's no hurry.
No, I can get to them from inside as well and remove them, make it easier.
And then you can move your cherry picker out the way.
Good morning everybody. We've just arrived at the Portsmouth terminal ready to get the ferry, haven't we? Where are we going? Chateau. The Chateau! Who are we going to see at the Chateau? You have to talk louder, sweetheart. Zach's munching on his lunch, or no, breakfast shall I say. Feels like we've been up for hours, so it could be lunch, but yeah, and we'll take you on board because we're getting the Speedy Cat today, so we'll do a little video when we get on and show you our seats, because I've got to share a seat with Zach in first class lounge. You say goodbye? Bye. I'm just coming in to Cherbourg. Actually went really quickly. I'm just coming in. Hello. Zach's been really, really good, haven't you? I was just having a quiet 5 minutes on the iPad because it's been so good. But yeah, just coming into Cherbourg, and then we'll go and find Grandad and Glamour. Can you see her?
Oh, that's so lovely. We haven't seen Glamour in about 3 months. Hi, Mummy! Sorry, we're late. Way! Who's that? Where's Grandad?
get Grandad. Go and get him. Go on. Go on.
Witch! Are you in? Hello, witch! Witch can sit up there. Did you have a nice trip on the boat?
Yeah.
Did you? Okay. Where are we going now then? Where would you like to go? Because you want to go on your boing boing.
Yeah.
Give us a kiss. Mwah.
So we just picked up the demon child. Actually, where is the demon child?
I want more, Mummy.
Are you coming in?
Oi.
And Carol's made us stop at one of her favourite pecans. There's so many things here, so many things. Carol's in her element. I think she's looking for stuff for the salon, even though we're a long way away from filling it. Carol, have you found anything? How much? Oops, that's blown the budget.
You'd like a table?
Yeah.
Really? For what?
This table.
No, leave it there.
Also, this table.
No, leave that one there. Zach. Tomatoes! Go on then, let's go and find them.
Up there. Up there. Tomatoes are up there.
Can you see them?
There's tomatoes.
No, we only want to pick the red ones, the small red ones, not those ones there for the rabbits. Not those ones, they're not nice.
The,
They are.
this one.
That's a good one to pick, isn't it? Can you get it? That's it, pull it off. Well done, in the pot. That's it. Can you see those big ones down there? They're massive.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the size of this one.
Let's go get the small one.
Okay. There.
This one. Choose this one.
Zach, where you going?
I did go up there and then I picked one.
You did.
I think I'm going to get that one. Look at this big tomato is.
How big is it?
Bigger.
What's he picked?
I did pick.
Well, that one wasn't quite ready, Zach. Never mind. No, don't throw it down there. I'm just having a little break from the salon ceiling, and I thought I'd give you a tour of my favourite parts of the outside, the exterior of the chateau, starting with my favourite view from the bottom of the garden. So I have the 5-acre field behind me. I'm at the bottom of what we call the park, next to the woods. This is my favourite view. I'll take you around the exterior so you can see all the features, and maybe someone can tell me the actual name for the trim that goes along the top of the roof.